Bags. It's time for a little video on this B&G wind instrument. This is the goop that goes between the LCD or LED or whatever, LCD I'd say, and then this here is the faceplate of the machine right here, and that's the front of it. So this I scraped off with a knife on here, with a razor blade on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean off the LCD here and put this goop in here. Fortunately, I peeled off real good with the razor blade. You can sort of see that right there. And then we're going to put it all back together again. And I have to figure out which layers the reflective stuff goes on. And this one over here blow on the ground. I don't want to blow on the ground because that's the sticky side to hit the ground. So I'm going to stick that on the chair. With any kind of luck, it won't come off the chair. Okay. So there's several of them there. This here is the little plastic panel. This is the little plastic panel that transfers the light from the LEDs to the screen. And I've got to figure out whatever order whatever was in there was in. All really, because I just want something I can see. Because I already bought a replacement for this several months ago for I think $300 or $100-something. Cheaper than a new one, you know, and it works great. But if I can have this just stick down in the cockpit or sit down in the main salon or something, that'd be good. Okay, now moving on. That's for you, Jason. Here's Nana. There's Nana's boat behind her. We're going to rename her. I have the new name in the house. So this is what I use. I use Goop All, WD-40, glass cleaner, heat gun, some high octane whiskey, and that's about it. And I have my, I think this is 200,000 amp hour battery here. It's AGM. If you can read AGM, you know. I do that every once in a while, just make everybody watching the video turn their computer upside down. Okay, that's it for now.